What happens if you eat blueberries every day? Blueberries are sweet, nutritious, and wildly popular. Here are 10 proven health benefits of blueberries. Number 1. Low in calories, high in nutrients. Blueberries, scientifically known as Vaccinium sect, Cyanococcus, are not just delicious but also incredibly nutrient-dense. These berries are relatives of cranberries and huckleberries, sharing similar health benefits. Blueberries are small, approximately 0.2 to 0.6 inches in diameter, with a distinctive flared crown. Initially green, they turn deep purple and blue as they ripen. The two most common varieties are the high-bush blueberries, predominantly cultivated in the US, and the smaller, antioxidant-rich low-bush or wild blueberries. A 1-cup serving, 1 to 48 grams of blueberries, is a nutritional powerhouse. It provides 3.6 grams of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. This serving also offers 16% of the daily value, DV, of vitamin C, crucial for immune function and skin health, and 24% of the DV of vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health. Additionally, it supplies 22% of the DV of manganese, a mineral that plays a vital role in metabolism and bone formation. Blueberries also contain various other nutrients in smaller amounts, contributing to their overall health benefits. With around 85% water content, a cup of blueberries contains only 84 calories and 21.5 grams of carbohydrates, making them an excellent low-calorie, nutrient-rich snack. Blueberries are low in calories but rich in fiber, vitamin C and K, and other essential nutrients. Number 2. Antioxidant powerhouse. Antioxidants protect your body from free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. Blueberries are believed to have one of the highest antioxidant levels among common fruits and vegetables. The primary antioxidants in blueberries belong to the polyphenol family, specifically flavonoids. Among these, anthocyanins are particularly noted for their health benefits. Studies show that blueberries can directly increase antioxidant levels in your body, combating oxidative stress. Blueberries boast one of the highest antioxidant capacities of all popular fruits and vegetables, with flavonoids having the most significant impact. Number 3. Protection against DNA damage. Oxidative DNA damage occurs daily and is a part of the aging process and the development of diseases like cancer. Blueberries, rich in antioxidants, can neutralize some of the free radicals that cause DNA damage. A study involving 168 people who drank a mixed blueberry and apple juice daily showed a 20% reduction in oxidative DNA damage after 4 weeks. These findings align with other studies using fresh or powdered blueberries. Blueberries and their juice can reduce DNA damage, a major driver of aging and cancer. Number 4. Safeguarding cholesterol levels. Oxidative damage also affects LDL cholesterol in your blood, a key factor in heart disease. Blueberries' antioxidants are strongly linked to reduced levels of oxidized LDL cholesterol, enhancing heart health. In one study, participants consuming 2 ounces of freeze-dried blueberries daily saw a 28% reduction in LDL oxidation over 8 weeks. Another study found that eating 2.5 ounces of blueberries with a meal significantly reduced LDL oxidation. Blueberries can reduce the oxidation of bad LDL cholesterol, a crucial step in preventing heart disease. Number 5. Lowering blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. Blueberries have shown significant benefits for people with elevated blood pressure. An 8-week study involving obese individuals at high risk of heart disease showed a 4% to 6% reduction in blood pressure after consuming 2 ounces of freeze-dried blueberries daily. Other studies have noted similar effects, especially in postmenopausal women. Regular consumption of blueberries is linked to lower blood pressure in multiple studies. Number 6. Heart disease prevention. While lowering blood pressure and oxidized LDL cholesterol are important, they are risk factors rather than diseases. More telling is whether blueberries can help prevent heart attacks, the leading cause of death worldwide. A study of 93,600 nurses found that those with the highest intake of anthocyanins had a 32% lower risk of heart attacks compared to those with the lowest intake. Though observational, this study suggests a strong link between blueberry consumption and reduced heart attack risk. Eating blueberries rich in anthocyanins is associated with a reduced risk of heart attacks. Number 7. Enhanced brain function and memory. Oxidative stress can accelerate brain aging and negatively affect brain function. Animal studies suggest that blueberries' antioxidants impact brain areas essential for intelligence, benefiting aging neurons and improving cell signaling. Human studies are also promising. One study involving older adults with mild cognitive impairment showed that daily blueberry juice consumption improved several markers of brain function over 12 weeks. Another long-term study found that blueberries and strawberries delayed mental aging by up to 2.5 years. Blueberries' antioxidants support brain health by enhancing function and delaying mental decline. Number 8. Anti-diabetes effects. Despite their moderate sugar content, blueberries have a positive impact on blood sugar management due to their bioactive compounds. Research indicates that anthocyanins in blueberries improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, beneficial for diabetes management. In a study with 32 obese individuals with insulin resistance, daily consumption of blueberry smoothies led to significant improvements in insulin sensitivity. Blueberries improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, offering anti-diabetes benefits. Number 9. Potential in fighting urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs are common, particularly among individuals assigned female at birth. While cranberry juice is known to help prevent UTIs, blueberries share similar active substances called anti-adhesives which prevent bacteria like E. coli from binding to the bladder wall. Though promising, more research is needed to confirm blueberries' effectiveness in preventing UTIs. Currently, cranberries are the better-known remedy for this purpose. Blueberries contain substances that may prevent certain bacteria from causing UTIs, but more research is needed. Number 10. Reducing muscle damage. After strenuous exercise. Intense exercise can lead to muscle soreness and fatigue, driven by local inflammation and oxidative stress in muscle tissue. Blueberry supplements may mitigate this damage, aiding muscle recovery. A study involving female athletes found that blueberries accelerated recovery after strenuous leg exercises. Blueberries may help reduce muscle damage and speed up recovery after intense exercise. While the 10 benefits listed above are well documented, blueberries offer additional advantages that contribute to overall health and well-being. It supports digestive health. Blueberries are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps maintain regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Moreover, a high-fiber diet is associated with a lower risk of developing digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and diverticulitis. It can enhance skin health. The antioxidants in blueberries, particularly vitamins C and E, are beneficial for skin health. These antioxidants protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and UV radiation, which can lead to premature aging. Regular consumption of blueberries can result in healthier, more radiant skin. It strengthens the immune system. Blueberries are rich in vitamins and minerals that support the immune system. Vitamin C, in particular, plays a crucial role in enhancing immune function. It helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. Incorporating blueberries into your daily diet is easy and enjoyable. For breakfast, you can blend fresh or frozen blueberries with yogurt, spinach, bananas, and a splash of almond milk to create a nutritious smoothie. Adding a generous handful of blueberries to your morning oatmeal enhances its sweetness and nutritional value. You can also incorporate blueberries into your pancake batter for a flavorful and nutritious boost. For snacks, consider layering blueberries with Greek yogurt, granola, and a drizzle of honey to make a tasty and healthy yogurt parfait. Another unique option is blueberry salsa, where fresh blueberries are mixed with diced tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and lime juice, creating a refreshing treat. At lunch and dinner, blueberries can add a pop of color and flavor to salads, pairing especially well with spinach, arugula, goat cheese, and walnuts. They also make a great addition to grain bowls, topping quinoa or brown rice with blueberries, avocado, and grilled chicken for a well-rounded meal. For dessert, bake a batch of blueberry muffins for a sweet treat that can be enjoyed any time of the day. Alternatively, combine blueberries with other fresh fruits like strawberries, kiwi, and pineapple to create a delicious and healthy fruit salad. Incorporating blueberries into your diet not only enhances the flavor of your meals, but also provides numerous health benefits. Here are some potential side effects and precautions. While blueberries are generally safe for most people, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Number 1, allergies. Although rare, some individuals may be allergic to blueberries. Symptoms of an allergic reaction can include itching, swelling, difficulty breathing, and gastrointestinal discomfort. If you experience any of these symptoms after consuming blueberries, seek medical attention immediately. Number 2, blood sugar levels. Although blueberries have a moderate sugar content, individuals with diabetes or those monitoring their blood sugar levels should consume them in moderation. It's essential to balance blueberry intake with other low-sugar fruits and vegetables. Number 3, digestive issues. Some people may experience digestive issues like bloating or gas after consuming large quantities of blueberries due to their high fiber content. If you have a sensitive digestive system, start with small portions and gradually increase your intake. All in all, blueberries are not only delicious and versatile, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Their consumption can enhance heart health, brain function, and numerous other aspects of your well-being. Whether eaten fresh or frozen, blueberries are a sweet, nutritious addition to your daily diet. Embrace the power of blueberries and enjoy the myriad of health benefits they offer. Comment down your experience with blueberries. Thank you for watching till the end.